All right, Motofixr, let me show you one of the easiest projects you can complete to maintain your vehicle, and that is the replacement of your floor mats. For car guys out there, this will not be the most complex or detailed video you've ever watched, but like anything, the question never asked is the question never answered. So for newbies out there, or for anyone getting into maintaining their vehicle, replacing floor mats is a very easy process. It'll only take you 2 minutes. Other than making your ride look significantly better, there are some practical reasons for replacing floor mats, and one is that hole right there. That is where my heel has actually dug through the original floor mats after 10 years of ownership. And when the heel digs through the floor mat like this and makes a hole, that creates an opportunity for your heel to start wearing at the carpet. And you can see that wear spot right there. So you want to get your floor mats replaced so you don't wear yourself through the carpet and actually damage the entire carpet inside your vehicle. Replacing most floor mats, whether it be the driver's side, passenger side, or the rear floor mats in a lot of vehicles, is as simple as grabbing the old floor mat, ripping it out, and throwing in your new set of floor mats. However, most modern vehicles have some type of a retention system, whether it's this retention clip and eyelet system, or if you flip the floor mat over, a lot of times you'll see a round Velcro strap here, or Velcro pad, and a Velcro pad built into the carpet here that allows the floor mat to Velcro down to the carpet. In the eyelet system like we see here, it's as simple as lifting up the front of your floor mat, pushing it back over the eyelet, and pulling it out. You guys can see I need to get a good vacuum in my truck, but that's how simple it is. And of course, that eyelet right there, and the whole point to having a mounting system is to keep your floor mat from pushing forward when you're getting in the vehicle or sitting in the vehicle, so it doesn't ride up underneath the dash. So just pull that off of the retention clip, pull your floor mat out, and you're ready to put the new one in. Now, if you go to the passenger side of the vehicle, you can see there are no eyelets and there are no retention systems over here for the passenger floor mat. So just take this floor mat, pop it out. Here is the new floor mat compared to the old floor mat. You can see this is a brand new plush floor mat. It is also the wrong color. That's an error by the dealership. They gave me the wrong floor mat. You can see that the floor mat's actually not even the right size or shape. So I am going to return this floor mat and get the correct floor mats to put in my truck. But I do want to show you what putting this floor mat into the truck looks like, so you guys can replace your floor mats in the future. All right, keeping in mind this floor mat is not an exact fit, just throw your floor mat in underneath the dash area, line up the retention holes, and take this eyelet, dip it over the retention clip, push it down on there, and voila, you have a new floor mat in your truck. And again, not the right color, but it is brand new.